Your Excellency, burning of houses, killings and destruction. This one is not an external aggression against the people of Benue State. It's an internal thing, and within Gwer itself presided over several meetings that we thought would have resolved this matter. The Deputy Governor presided over an uncountable number of meetings to try to resolve this matter. And we had agreed, and the two parties agreed, even when police arrested some. It was here we agreed that some of those people, all those who were arrested should be released, and there will be peace. And we signed an agreement. And today, what I hear happening, and this has even extended to the major town in Ikpayongo, burning of houses and killings and all that. So it is something that we are all going to address here today. And I believe having all of you here will come out with something that will help. Another issue is our normal challenge. The herdsmen coming to invade our land and claiming responsibilities for killings and for destruction and for all sorts of evil being committed against our people. This will not be allowed. In Benue State, we have a law prohibiting open grazing since 2017. And I'm a law-abiding governor. We're a law-abiding state that believes in the rule of law and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And we, as a state, we have the right to enact laws for good governance of the state. And so anytime the need arises for us to enact laws, we do it for the good governance of the state, and provided it is not in conflict with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And that is what we've been doing. So here in Benue State, no livestock, not just cow, is allowed. Free movement and free grazing or free roaming. It's lawful. I appreciate the security agencies, the police, the army, the civil defense for giving us backup to apprehend those who trespass on this law. You've been doing very well. But I seek for greater synergy among the security agencies and support to fish out some of those criminal elements within the security agencies that are creating more problems, collecting monies from herdsmen and support, sadly, giving them permission to come and graze. Even right in Makudi town, I don't understand. So I seek for greater synergy, that we have to work together to respect the rule of law. And even amongst the traditional rulers, and the wisdom of this council, the Totiv is here, the Ochidoma is here, and we must work together as a government to surmount this challenge. Nobody should be spared. If individuals, those in government, traditional rulers, and security agencies are found to be complicit to the challenge that we have today in this assessment, we must work together to expose them. It will serve as a deterrent to others. And so, I think these are issues we're going to discuss. And in the course of discussion, let us be very open and frank. I've always quoted the Bible. The Bible says that you shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free. I believe that the Quran also says it. So it is only when we walk with the truth that we'll be spared. So let us be frank. It's an in-house meeting. The press are going to leave us. We are going to be here alone. And that we'll discuss frankly and address these issues. But since all these things I've mentioned as security problems, all of you who are here in this meeting are experts. You have been trained and you have the capacity to advise. If government is not getting it right, you advise us. Even if it requires any form of amendment or enacting further laws, we are ready to do it. The Chief Judge is here, my Attorney General is here, the SSG is here, and the Senior Advocate of Nigeria. My Deputy Governor is the Chairman of Judges Spouses Association. So he too can help us. If we need to amend our laws, if we need to enact further laws, I'm ready. And I have a House of Assembly that is always ready, as long as we make presentations to them on amending or enacting laws that will help us with good governance. And I stand to be corrected that Benue State government under my watch, we've been most proactive, and we have enacted laws more than any other government that came in place here, because we believe in the rule of law and due process. I don't want any form of illegality happening in Benue State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.